Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to edit your Shopify password page. Customizing the password page allows you to share important information with visitors before your store launches. Let's dive in. First, you have to log into your Shopify admin. To do so, just go to your browser and then go to shopify.com. After that, you enter your account credentials and then you log in. As you can see, I'm already logged in. Now, in the theme editor, find the password page. Just go to online store in the left-hand sidebar and select themes. Go to online store, then select themes. Click on customize next to your active or theme library. Now in the theme editor, find the password page. At the top of the page, click on the drop-down menu where it says Home Page, and then select Password Page. Now customize the password page. Use the left sidebar to edit the texts, including the header, message, and call to action. Add a custom background image or change the layout to match your branding. Once you're done, click. You can write here password. Password, for example. You can choose the heading size. I'll choose extra large. And you can edit everything. And that's it. Click on save. And just like that, you've successfully edited your Shopify password page, creating a more personalized experience for your visitors before your store goes live. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any more questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next video.